In the fast-paced world of automotive repair, efficiency and quality are paramount. More and more body shops are turning to RUPES Bigfoot random orbital polishers for several reasons. Number one, no swirl marks. Unlike traditional rotary polishers, random orbital polishers move on two different axes, creating a random scratch pattern which eliminates the cause of swirl marks and leaves a flawless finish behind. Number two, reduced risk of burning the paint. Orbital polishers rely more on surface area and less on pad velocity. Reducing the risk of burning means less time getting resprayed in the booth. Number three, fewer steps and less time. Since we no longer need additional steps to remove or hide swirl marks, we can do the job in less steps and be more efficient. Number four, reduced risk of dieback. We've all been there. Hours or days after polishing away sand marks and defects, they seem to magically reappear. The number one cause of this phenomenon is frictional heat from traditional polishing methods. Bigfoot random orbital polishers create less heat on the paint surface, helping to reduce the risk of this occurring. Number five, eliminates rework. RUPES Bigfoot polishers eliminate the cause of swirl marks at their root. Additionally, RUPES compounds and polishes don't use fillers that wash away and reveal a scratched and damaged surface. Because of this, additional polishing steps are no longer needed. And finally, number six, user friendliness. The two biggest hurdles to learning to polish are avoiding burns and preventing swirl marks. Now, even novice technicians can turn out professional results with little fear and minimal training. So if you're looking to streamline your workflow and deliver top-notch results every time, add a RUPES Bigfoot random orbital polishing system to your arsenal.